Hey guys, let's do a mail haul. You know, everybody that knows me and has listened to my life, you know I have the grumpy old man mailman. So I'm really thrilled today that a lot of packages came on the same day. He literally had to get out of his truck and come to the door with them because he couldn't shove them all in my mailbox like he normally does. So, let me find a place to set all these out of the way. And I hope this isn't too long, but let's just start with, I have no idea. It doesn't say who it's from. I'm sure it's something I have ordered. Or maybe my husband did. He does order some things on some of my accounts, so we shall see. Get something out here. I can't find my letter opener. Anybody else constantly losing those? I need to just buy them by the dozen. I know what these are. Took forever and a day to get here. These are my resin molds. And what I'm going to be doing is making resin ink pens. And these little inserts go in them. So yeah, I'm excited to get this started. I got 3 of the molds. And all of these inserts. So I can be making some ink pens. Let's see how that goes. I bought one that Teresa Brady made, and I really love it. But it ran out of ink really fast, or dried up one, I don't know. Next I have a Meta Studios. I have 2 Meta Studios. I think one is a design team project. So let's open this one first, because I think I did order something too. Y'all like the way I keep saying I think? This is an Etsy shop, guys, and as you most know, I try my best to look to other crafters for my supplies and things first. First of all, you get it cheaper than you do buying it anywhere else. And second of all, it helps support their small business. So yeah, I do believe this may be an order. You know, Kristie is such a professional packer. It takes forever to get into one of her packages. If I ever move, I'm going to hire her to come pack my house. I love this tissue paper she has. Oh, this is herself. Her Etsy, her Facebook, her very first Facebook Live sale. And I got these to make these snippet rolls on. I have some, but they're shorter than these. So these are the little wooden spindles. This is over here with my tissue paper. And her beautiful handmade cards. I just love, love, love them. Look at the shimmer on that. And of course, Kristie always sends you a card. Ah, my sage. If you don't know, I bought 2 antique roll-top desks, and I think one of them is definitely haunted. So I bought this because people say if you have spirits in your house and you burn sage, they'll go away. I'm going to try it because at night we can hear him talking, and it's driving me bonkers. Plus we see dark shadows. My son will not come back here. He will not spend another night in his house because it terrified him. And of course you always get Kristie's seal. And her tea bags. Oh my heavens to Betsy. Vanilla bean. Ooh. That's going to be good. And I got some of these little cigarette coupons. I don't know if I ordered those or if she just threw those in. And look at that. Look at that. Oh my heavens. Beautiful work, Kristie. Beautiful. So this will go with my everything book. This will go with it. This is going in my belly. So we move this aside. I do believe this one is a design team project. I'll tell you once I open it. I'm trying not to fly through it, but I think I have a new subscription box that just started over here. Maybe not. Maybe an Etsy. I don't know. I'll tell you in a minute. Ooh, look at that. Look at that beautiful fabric. It's got gold in it. That is gorgeous. Oh, I'm sorry. This is Salena. This is Salena. She put her name on there this time instead of her store. This is from Amore Fabriques. Oh, look at the color. I love them. Popcorn bags. I bought those, some for me and some for friends, because it was a good deal. Oh my, these are bigger than I thought they were, but fantastic. These are going to be perfect for some of the journals. Oh, look how good they go together. And then I got the grab bag in pink, of course. So let's cut to the chase here and see what all is in here. Wow. Everybody must have mailed on the same day. So, can I get pinks or reds? I think I got pinks. Nice ribbon. Beautiful flowers. It doesn't say. Yes, I got pink vintage. Oh, look at your little deer. Aren't they cute? That is a good piece of fabric there, guys. That's a good size. That will cover a small journal. Gorgeous. There's some more pink. Some little pink rosebuds. Oh, I love that. Fantastic for tags, and you know I am Eiffel Tower crazy, so love this one. It's kind of a purplish pink. Oh, I like this too. This is my cute small journal cover. Pink with white dots. I love it. Some vintage pink flowers. Ooh, I love this one. See, I can imagine looking at this and thinking, if Johnny and I from Junk Journal Shop had to do a project together, this is what it would be. She would have all the earth tones and I'd have all the colors burned in there. Nice. I love this one. Oh, I love anything gingham, so I love this one. Nice fabric. Wow, you get more than your money's worth in this pack, guys. It's another big piece. Another big piece. Oh my heavens to Betsy. I am in love with this one. Yes, ma'am. This would be a perfect nature journal cover. Absolutely love it. It looks brown on camera, but it's kind of a greenish brown. Perfect. Okay, let's see. I'll leave this one over here. My next one is a Etsy shop that I have fallen in love with, and it is VioletMae Treasures. She has excellent prices, and she's fast to ship, which is, very important to me. I don't want to sit and wait for something, because when I buy it, it's because I need it for something I'm working on. So, yeah, check out Violet, as in the color, May Treasures on Etsy, because she really has some good stuff. And like I said, she ships fast. I've never had a problem. So I ordered some vintage ribbon, with coffee dyed vintage look ribbon, because mine's not taking for some reason. It's been in there for 2 days and it's not taking. Trying to see what this is. Oh yeah, these are the cabinet cards. Nice. She has excellent antique photos too. Excellent. Never any fading on them, never any marks on them. So yeah, I'm doing a lot of vintage journals right now. And I got book pages. And this is a lot. Oh, I love the bag. This is a lot of shorthand. I think I ordered 2 sets of shorthand papers because I didn't have any at all. So it's a lot of book pages from a shorthand book, and even if you just fold it down at the top or glue it, put a 2-sided tape on the top, you could use it as a flip up and a journal. And that was my intention. And then I ordered some music pages because I couldn't find my music books with all the packing going on. I just found them. Next, I do believe this is a new subscription box. Cora Cree Crafts is C-R-E-A, Crea Crafts. And I do think this is a subscription, so let me open it and see. I ordered from Crate Joy, and that's why I think that's what this is, because this looks like one of their boxes. Instagram contest. Win a washi tape and 25% coupon for my shop. Okay. Thank you for your order. Enjoy the July animal box. Yes, this is the subscription box I wanted. So let's see what we got. Both of my boys are very much into animals. Oh, look at this. I love it. These look handmade. I don't know if they are or not, but they sure look it. And look at the fox. So there's 2 stamps. Oh my goodness. How perfect is this for me? Let's go camping. Grizzly, Save the Earth, Forest. Oh, look at all of this. This is awesome, guys. Washi tape. And each month, her subscription boxes appear to be a different theme. Now, I'm saying that because this is my first month. Oh, Mother Goose. Birds. This is totally awesome. So it's a bird's washi tape. And then Evolution. Not sure what this is. Okay, this is just a little notepad, but I'm not into Evolution, so this will go into a giveaway. Love the bag. Love, love, love the bag. And I've got a farm journal coming up that I'm going to be doing, so this will look nice in there if I can get it open. Let me move the box. Oh my goodness, they're falling out everywhere. Whoa! Pretty cool. Got some little stickers. Look at the kitty cat drinking. Swan, a camel. These are pretty cool. Not sure if these are stickers or rub-ons. Stickers. Love them. The boys will love these too. A couple of sheets of note paper. Oh, how stinking cute are these. I love them. Here's some, oops. Little rabbit. These are pretty cute. And then you get all of these papers. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm going to stick with this subscription box for a while and see where it goes. Right now I'm happy with it, but this is my first one, so we'll see where it goes. Really happy with the stamps, the tapes, the bag. I'm crazy about the bag. But yeah, I mean, there's some good things in here I can use for Happy Mails, and there's some good things in here I can use myself, so I'm happy with it. So I'm going to stick with this subscription box for a while. And again, it is cratejoy.com, C-R-A-T-E, and just go in there and look for Cora, C-R-E-A crafts, and any other ones, because they have 1,000,001 subscription boxes, and a lot of craft ones, a lot of home remedies, a lot of teas, a lot of coffees, a lot of just about anything you think of. And children, oh, they have children's subscription boxes that you wouldn't believe. So, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this wasn't too long. I tried to get through it fast. See you soon. Bye-bye.